YouTube, it's me, Alyssa from Just Alyssa Squishies, and today I got a squishy package. This is my extra for my Erica abs. So yeah, let's go on with the video / package. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Here's a squishy through the packaging. Ew, this smells disgusting, and it's so leathery and oily. Ew. This is disgusting. It's squishy, but it's oily. It leaves residue on your hands, and it's all squished.
Oh.
This is really gross. Good thing it was free, because I would not pay $4 for this. But at least it's a squishy. Whatever. I might give it away in a giveaway, or I might sell it or do a trade. So yeah, really bad right now. It might lose the oiliness by if I like put it in the freezer or something. So yeah, please give this video a like or dislike if you want to order this. Wink wink. Yeah, don't do it. I like that little bug right there. Bye.
Come to tune-up shoe and a ripped open bag of cough drops. Nice, Cooper. That is Cooper. Yeah, now he's licking up his own pee from when he got excited when I got through the door. Like, why does my dog like to do these things? Cute, why do you like to do these things? Tell me.